Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. For those of you who like Beauty and the Beast, you might like this lesson today because we're going to go over this cute little candlestick. You know, that little French guy. Yeah, he was a real cool dude. I liked him a lot. So, if you have your paper and you have a pencil, I think we're ready to begin this fun lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. This was a fun lesson and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, what can you take home from this lesson? Simple, easy. Take a classic movie such as Beauty and the Beast or any cartoons or any animation and watch it on TV and pause that particular scene and sketch it out. You'll have hours and days and hours of fun doing this. This is a non-stop thing, and I do this quite often when I grew up, and I still do it. It's great reference and great model sheet. So on a rainy day, on a sunny day, or you're bored and don't know what to do, you like your classic cartoons, pull them up. Stop that little image to that classic cartoon character that you like and start sketching away. All right, so I want to say thanks for checking out this video, and don't forget to check out my previous videos that I have been making also. So have a great day. Thanks again. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.